Hello and what is going on YouTube? My name is Drake and I am the SIM Unlock Phone YouTube host, and in today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to unlock your T-Mobile iPhone 8 or 8 Plus. So the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus are the newest iPhones along with the iPhone X, and in today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to unlock these phones with any GSM carrier in the world. Factory unlocking your phone basically gives you carrier freedom and allows you to switch networks as often as you'd like. This is a one-step process, and once you do it, your phone will be unlocked forever. It's definitely recommended and increases the value of your phone, so in case you want to resell down the future, this improves the value. Now, to begin, we will first need the IMEI number. This is a 15-digit number, and previously it would be found in the dialer app by typing *#06#. However, Apple has changed it to where you now have to find the IMEI in the settings. To do this, just go to Settings, General, About, scroll down, and the IMEI number will be there along with all the other serial numbers and whatnot. Take this IMEI number, write it down, keep it up as we go to the website, as we will need it after we go to the website right here. And alright guys, so here we are going to go to our website, which is simunlockphone.com. Link will be down in the description below to where you guys can get to our site. From here, just go ahead and click Shop at the top. Now we're going to find our T-Mobile IMEI Unlock, and it's right here. Now once we get here, the only information that's needed is the IMEI number, the IMEI status, and the model. So the IMEI number here. IMEI status is clean. If it's financed or blacklisted or anything, be sure to click those options. And model, iPhone 8, 8 Plus. Click unlock it. Now I'm going to fill out all my personal information, complete checkout, and we'll be back after this. To complete your purchase, you will receive an email from SIM Unlock Phone saying that your unlock has been processed and completed. Now the only thing you have to do is turn off your phone, remove the current SIM card. I'm going to remove the T-Mobile one, put in one from AT&T, turn on the phone, and once we turn on the phone here, then all you have to do is unlock the phone, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, and the unlock is done and you won't get any notification. However, you can now use your phone with any GSM carrier in the world. If you want another method in order to complete the unlock, all you have to do is connect the phone to iTunes, and once you connect it, then you will be asked to sign into your Apple account, and then following that, the screen should come up. Congrats, the tutorial is complete. Just like that, you unlocked your iPhone 8. If you guys did enjoy the video here, be sure to leave us a thumbs up here on the SIM Unlock Phone YouTube channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. And signing off, my name is Drake, and I'll see you guys in the next one.